India's tech industry is making significant strides on the global stage, particularly through the development of innovative browsing apps. These applications, crafted by Indian developers, are not only meeting the needs of the local users but are also establishing new benchmarks in the global market. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Indian developers leverage their deep understanding of local user needs to create highly relevant and user friendly browsing apps. By integrating globally appealing features and maintaining high standards of design and functionality, these apps cater to a wide audience. Apps like GeoBrowser and Bharat Browser are optimized for speed and efficiency, providing fast browsing experiences even on slower networks. Robust security protocols and privacy controls are built into these apps, ensuring safe and secure browsing for users. Indian browsing apps are gaining traction internationally with significant downloads and positive user feedback from across the globe. Consistently, high ratings in app stores reflect the global appreciation for the functionality, design, and performance of these apps. Indian apps are setting new benchmarks in the browsing app market by continuously introducing innovative features and improving user experience. The success of these apps is influencing global developers and tech companies to adopt similar features and user centric approaches. GeoBrowser. It is known for its speed and lightweight design. GeoBrowser is optimized for performance on a variety of network conditions. It emphasizes user privacy and data security, making it a trusted choice for secure browsing. Bharat Browser. It offers content in multiple Indian languages, catering to the diverse linguistic landscape of India. It provides a holistic browsing experience by integrating news, games, and other services directly into the app. UC Browser. While originally developed by the Chinese company, UC Browser has a significant user base in India and has adapted features to suit local preferences. It is known for its multifunctional capabilities, including data saving, ad blocking, and night mode. These browsing apps are making significant strides on the global stage by addressing diverse user needs through innovative features and efficient design. Their focus on user needs, privacy, and unique features positions them as strong contenders in the mobile browsing space. Their success stories are a testament to India's growing influence in the tech world, providing the homegrown innovations can compete with the best international offerings. Let's look into today's headlines. WhatsApp users can now make calls directly without saving contacts. A new feature that will allow users to make calls straight from the app without having to save contacts is being developed by WhatsApp. A floating action button on the Calls tab will allow users to access this. Users can input a number, add it to an already existing contact, or save it as a new one. Moreover, the messaging shortcut allows quick messaging instead of calling. Google releases public profiles for user reviews. Google has launched searchable public profiles that feature user reviews and search notes for films and TV series. These profiles, which initially debuted in May, can be found at profile.google.com and include user generated material for songs, movies, video games, and books. For further customizing, users can add social links to their accounts. Nikon MD finds India market for digital cameras is too small for domestic production. India makes over 40% of the income in Asia and Africa for digital camera manufacturer Nikon Corporation, excluding Japan and China. Even though Nikon India anticipates exceeding rupees 1000 crores in revenue this year, local manufacturing is still out of the question. According to Sajjan Kumar, managing director of Nikon India, the market is not big enough for the company's parent company, Tokyo based Nikon Corporation, to establish facilities and supply chains in India despite the company's development. The GST Council fixes financial limits for GST appeal submissions. Instead of paying 20% of the tax demand amount upfront, taxpayers now only need to pay 10% of it when submitting an appeal with the GSTAT. If the tax demand is rupees 10 crore, a pre-deposit of rupees 1 crore is paid at the first stage of appeal and now only rupees 1 crore and not rupees 2 crore needs to be paid at the GST-80 stage. All of the appellants are greatly relieved by this. Blue Dart, along with Sky Air, starts drone delivery service. In collaboration with Sky Air, Blue Dart has begun drone deliveries with an initial emphasis on last mile and e-commerce services. Currently operational in Gurugram in Haryana, Blue Dart plans to expand to additional PIN codes nationwide. In a BSE filing, the company stated, "We aim to cover more areas across the country in subsequent stages with our partners." That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.